Hello YouTube, Stitch up to 75 doing a little hockey today. New first time opening for me. They had one left at Target. This is Upper Deck Allure 2019-2020 hockey. It's a blaster box. Find a top 50 prospect in every box. A new product with incredible hits. I like it. I like the Allure. It's got like some cool die cuts like that of the rookies and stuff. Blaster box exclusive collected yellow taxi parallel. That's cool. Upper Deck's starting to catch on, but the one problem I have with Upper Deck is, like, do you get some autographs in here? 6 cards per pack, 5 packs per box. That's not much, okay? You don't get many cards, right? Do you know how much they charge for this blaster box? Retail. What is it? Blaster box, yellow taxi parallel. Yeah, where's the freaking autograph? You're charging me $29.99. $30 for this blaster box. You get prisms and optics for $19.99. Yet you're going to charge $29.99 Upper Deck? Who the hell do you think you are? You've fallen off the market. I mean, you're not the top number one anymore. Maybe for hockey because you got the main license, but I don't get it. I don't get how they get away with charging $30 for a blaster box that should be $20. But they do. There must be some kind of extra gold in here or something. And it's a weird blaster box. Look at how you open it. Ooh, I guess the extra $10 was for this hologram sticker for the NHL. All right, we'll open it this way. With our whopping 5 packs. I'm not trying to slam the product. I like the product. I just don't like that they're charging an extra $10 over the competition for blasters. And I'm sure there'll be some smart-ass know-it-all who's going to leave a comment explaining why. And then I'm going to feel like I made a mistake in saying that. Alright. Looks like we got a gold of some sort already right off the bat. Alexander Barkov. Bear with me as I'm not up to date with my hockey. It looks so much like Select, Panini Select. Allure top 50, Zach McGowan. Capo Caco. Gold? Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? It's the yellow taxi. Capo Caco, you're kidding me. Oh. I'm gonna die yet. Excuse me. Oh my god, of all the cards to get, it's him. That's awesome. Hopefully he plays good. Keeps it up. Alexander Tessier. PK Subban. Wow. Sorry guys. I'm still battling with this horrible cough. And it seems to be winning. I don't think you needed to hear me do that, but I didn't need to swallow that either. Sorry, guys. I'm wicked sick. Okay, well, I'm not dying, but I'm got a pretty bad cough. Jake Gunsel, Nikita Gusev, rookie. My God, I hope I can make it through the video. I didn't think this was going to happen. Iced out Allure, Mitch Marner. That's a pretty cool card. And a white die cut of a rookie, Joel Lesperance. That's cool. Artemi Panarin. Oliver, whatever. I'm going to stop saying the names that I don't know. Sorry. Alright. Hope I can make it to this one. Nico Sturm. Oh, we got another yellow taxi. Victor Olofsson, rookie. Nice, nice. Phil Kessel. And Leon Draisaitl. I wonder if it's normal that you get more than one. Maybe you get one rookie and one veteran. Brad Marchand. Nice for the Bruins. My Bruins. Mitch Marner again. I think I got Mitch Marner earlier. Could be wrong. I think I did. Oh, another yellow taxi. Jeez, you get... Okay, so they're not that much of a short print, I guess. Max Domi. There's Lee. Jake Gunsel. They're really nice looking. Mark Scheifele. Connor Hellebuck. Go whatever the hell it was. There were no prisms or anything in there, no. Call them prisms, it's not even prism, but you know what I meant. Hollows, whatever you want to call it. Looks like we got a red die cut. Another rookie, Rasmus Sundin. Zach Simpson. Top 50, Oliver Wahlstrom. Carey Price. Red Rainbow. That's cool. Cam Makar. And Matthew Barzal. All right, so that's the box, guys. I like the product, and the fact that we got a yellow taxi Capo Caco, I think that alone should get a thumbs up. That was a pretty big hit. So thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel already. You know, hit the bell for notifications, and thanks for watching, guys. Have a great evening.